Welcome to our new class, exercise 11 and chapter 11, exercise 11.1 mathematics, class 9-10. This chapter related to ratio and proportion. This is important chapter for SSC level and class 9-10. So before starting the chapter topic, we have to know what is called ratio. What is called ratio? Already you have done ratio in class 7, but this is different. Here is we have to know alternando, invertendo, componendo, dividendo, and componendo and dividendo, and dividendo and componendo. So before starting the class, we have to know what is called ratio, just as a review. Okay, please come. Ratio: when two quantities of same category are compared to each other are called ratio. When two quantities, how many quantities? When two quantities of same category, same. So we can compare between pen with a pen, black pen with a black pen, red pen with a red pen, or here is, you can see here is the number 7:5. This is the ratio symbol. Already we all know ratio. We have learned in class 7. Okay, so 7:5. That means antecedent and subsequent. A:B. This type of thing are called ratio. Ratio is one kind of fraction. One kind of fraction. So you can see A:B. We can write A by B. A by B. Now we will learn invertendo and alternando. Okay, please come back. Invertendo and alternando and componendo and dividendo. We have learned what is called ratio, and ratio is one kind of fraction. Now invertendo, alternando and componendo. Then we will learn dividendo. Then we will learn componendo and dividendo. So please come back to board. You can see here is, if A:B equals C:D. Just this type of thing. Here is just, this is the invertendo. This is invertendo. You can see here is B is here, A is here, D is here, C is here. You can see here is just B will come back here. Here is D will come back here. This is the invertendo. This is the invertendo, and this is alternando. A:B, C:D. A:C, B:D. Just you can see here. If you observe, we can see this is the alternando. The another important part is componendo. That means add one. Componendo. That means add one. Here is A:B equals C:D. Ratio is one kind of fraction. A:B, A by B. C:D, C by D. So adding one on both sides. Adding one on both sides. Here is adding one. Here is adding one. So we will get, here is B and 1, 1 by 1. LCM here is B. We get A plus B. A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. C plus D by D. So we have got componendo. This is the important part. Now we'll do dividendo. So please come back to board. We'll do now dividendo, then componendo and dividendo. Please come back. You can see here is A:B equal C:D. Then A minus B by B, C minus D by D. It will come. How is it possible? It is possible. Here is A:B equal C:D. We can write ratio is one kind of fraction. So A by B, C by D. Subtracting minus 1 on 1. That means 1 on both sides. Here is 1. Here is 1. We get A minus B by B, C minus D by D. This is dividendo. So we have learned dividendo and we have learned componendo. Now we will learn componendo and dividendo. We have to know componendo and dividendo, and dividendo and componendo. So before starting our componendo and dividendo, we have to know numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. This is componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. But in the opposite word, dividendo and componendo, you have to see numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator. Be careful. Here is plus, here is minus. But here is minus, here is plus. Because here is dividendo, here is componendo. And here is componendo, here is dividendo. You have to be careful about the method. Okay, now we will do componendo and dividendo. Now follow the board using componendo and dividendo. Please come back and you can see x by y equal to 9 by 8. This is numerator and this is denominator. Numerator and denominator. So using componendo and dividendo, please follow. X plus y, x minus y. 9 plus 8, 9 minus 8. You have to write using componendo and dividendo. We will get x plus y, x minus y. 9 plus 8, we will get 17 divided by 1. Therefore, we will get x plus y, x minus y equal to 17. So this is the example of componendo and dividendo. Now we will learn dividendo and componendo. So if p by q equal 5 by 7, this is numerator and this is denominator. Numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator, just opposite. 5 minus 7, 5 plus 7. So we will get 5p minus q, p plus q equal to, here is minus 2, here is 12. So we will get the answer p minus q divided by p plus q equal 1 by 6. This is the dividendo and componendo. We have written here is number, so answer will come in this way. So we have got componendo and dividendo and componendo. So now we will do maths. After completing some maths, in the next lecture we will go with some word problem using ratio. Okay, so let's come back. Exercise 11.1, class 9-10. This is class 9-10 exercise 11.1. So let's come back. Ratio. Now we have to solve some maths. Please come to the board. Here is, you can say, here is a is to b equal b is to c. We have to prove that a by c equal a square plus b square by b square plus c square. Here is a is to b, b is to c. A by b, b by c. Why? Ratio is one kind of fraction. A is to b. For this, a is to b. A by b, b is to c, b by c. Let a by b equal b by c equal to k. So we can write a by b equal to k and b by c equal to k. Here is k is constant. We can do the maths in two ways, taking constant k or without k. Any method you can use. So please follow the board. Therefore we get b equal to ck or a equal to bk. Now we have got b equal ck and we have got a equal bk. Here is b, but here is b. So we have to putting the value of b. Here is b equal to ck. So we have to put here the values of b. So please come to the board. Let's come. Here is a equal to bk, or a equal to, here is b equal to ck, b equal to ck. So ck into k. Therefore we get a equal to ck square, a equal to ck square, and b equal to ck. Now we will do in the left side, then we have to do the maths in the right hand side. We have got a equal ck square and b equal ck. Now left hand side, here is left hand side, here is a by c, a by c. What is the value of a? You can see the values of a equal to ck square, ck square divided by c. C and c cut, we got only k square, we got only k square. So we have got the values of left hand side. Now we will do right hand side. So come back to the board, we will do right hand side, right hand side. Here is a square plus b square divided by b square plus c square. So just putting the values of a and b. A equal to, we have got ck square, a equal to ck square, here is whole square, y whole square, here is a square, plus b square. What is the values of b? What is the values of b? Is ck whole square, ck whole square. Here is b square. What is the value of b? Values of b is ck whole square plus c square. Now come back, we have got here is c and here is square, c square k4 plus c square k square, and we have got here c square k square plus c square. Now come back, here is c square, here is c square, here is k square, here is k4, here is c square, here is c square, c square. We have to take common, we have to take common. So come back, if we take common, if we get the values of left side and right side are equal, then we can say show that or prove that. Now please follow the board. Here is, we have to take common c square k square, take common c square k square, we get here k square plus 1 divided by c square, we get k square plus 1, k square plus 1. Now cut it, here is k square plus 1, k square plus 1 out, c square out, we get here is k square. So here is right hand side is k square. So few minutes ago we have got the left hand side also k square. Therefore we can write side equal to right hand side. So if you can see the show that, you have to write showed, and if you can see the proof that, you have to write proved, as you wish, okay, as you wish. So right, so your maths number 2 done. Now we will have to do maths number 2, okay, maths number 1 completed. So please come back to the board, maths number 2. This is also important for you, and before starting the maths you have to write a is to b equal b is to c. You have to write at first. Then ratio is a one kinds of fraction. For this, a by b equals to b by c, b square equal to ac. We have to prove that a square, b square, c square into 1 by a cube, 1 by b cube, 1 by c cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, it is very easy maths. We can do the maths easily. Now you have to put in the value b square equal to ac. Let's come to the point. a square, b square, c square. This is the multiplied position. So you have to multiply it by a square, b square, c square into 1. We get a square, b square, c square divided by a cube plus a square, b square, c square divided by b cube plus here is a square, b square, c square divided by c cube, Now you can say here here is a square, but and here is b square. Here is b square equal to ac. B square equal to ac. But here is a square. Here is a cube. You can cut it a square. So we get here is a. B square. Here is we can write b. Here is c square. Here we can write c. So write again b square, c square. C square by a plus a square, c square, a square, c square by b plus a square, b square, a square, b square by c. We have got b square equal to ac. Remember it, b square equal to ac. Okay, let's come to the point. Here is b square. Here is b square equal to ac. Just we have to put in the value. I think we can solve the maths easily. So please come back here. B square equal to ac into c square. Here is a plus a square, c square. You can say b square equal to ac, but here is a square, c square. So if we use whole square, so we get b to the power 4 equal to a square plus c square. Remember it. So here is a square, c square. So we can write a square, c square equal to, we can write here is b to the power 4 divided by b. Now you can see here is a square. So write a square and b square equal to ac divided by c. So we can do the maths, solve the maths easily. Follow here. Here is a, here is a. So just a into c square, c cube by a, b4, b to the power 4 by b, a square into a. So here is a cube into c divide by c. Now we can do the maths easily. Here is a into a, so we get c cube. Here is b, here is b4, so we can write b cube into b by b. Here is c out, we get here is a cube. So here is b and b out, we get c cube plus b cube plus a cube. Okay. Now we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is right hand side. So if you can see the proof that you have to write proved, if you can see the show that you have to write showed. So therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So when you see the class, when you see the lecture, always you have to follow fast to last, and you have to try to understand the method. This is squaring both sides, cubing both sides, or using the formula b square equal to ac, or componendo or dividendo. Be careful. So please come back, we will do next. Okay, already we have done previous maths. A is to b equal to b is to c, but in this math this is also different. A by b equal b by c equal c by d. Here is 3 steps. So be careful when we solve the maths, you have to be careful. So follow the board. You can see here here is A by B equal B by C, C by D. So that A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square equal to AB plus BC plus CD. This is also same maths, but here is steps are 3: A by B, B by C, C by D. Let A by B, B by C, C by D equal to K. We get C by D, C by D equal K. So C equal D into K, dk. C equal, we have got dk. Here is B by C. You can see B by C equal K, B equal to Ck. But we have got C equal to dk. Here is C. C means dk. So dk into K. We have got dk square. B back. B equal to dk square. Okay. Now A by B equal to K. A equal to Bk. A equal to, you can see here is B into K. But we have got B equal to dk square, B equal to dk square. So B equal to dk square. So K square into K. So we have got dk cube, B equal to dk square. Just dk square into K, we have got A equal to dk cube. Now we have to putting the value in the right hand side, left hand side. After completing left hand side, we will do the right hand side. So now follow the board in left hand side. Please come back to the board. Already we have got the values of A, values of B and values of C. Now this is left hand side, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Here is A square. So what is the value of A square? We have got A square equal to A equal to, we have got dk cube and B equal to dk square, B equal to dk square, C equal to dk. Just putting the value, here is A dk cube, here is square, B square dk square, here is whole square, C square, C equal to dk whole square. And here is B square plus C square plus D square, B square plus C square plus D square. What is the value of B? You can see here is B equal to dk square whole square. Here is C square, C equal to dk whole square. Here is D square, here is D square. Writing completed. Now here is square, so we can write D square k cube into 2. Here is 3 to the 6, k6, D square k6 plus D square k4 plus D square k square. Here is into. So you can see here D square, here is k to the power 4, D square k square plus D square. Now we have to take common. You can see repeated terms here is, you can find out easily. Here is D square, D square, D square. And here is k square, k4, k6. So smallest one is k square. And here is D square, we can take a common easily. So here is D square and k square. We have got here is k4 plus k square plus 1. Okay. Now we can see here is we have got here D square, D square, D square. We can take common D square, k4 plus k square plus 1. Now come back, we can see here is D square k square, here is D square, and this term and this term are same. So please come back here. We can see already our putting the value has done. Now we have come to the point, in point. Now we can see if we write here is D square, here is D square. So D square into D square D4, here is k square, here is k square, k4 k square 1, k4 k square 1. So we can write k4 k square plus 1 whole square. So we have got left hand side, we have got already left hand side. Now we have to solve in right hand side. So right hand side. So here is AB plus BC plus CD, AB plus BC plus CD. Now write AB, BC, CD. Note it, AB, BC, CD. Here is whole square. Be careful. You have to follow AB, BC, CD. So now we have to putting the values of A, putting the values of B, and putting the values of C. For your betterment, you can easily follow the board carefully. Now AB, what is the value of A? dk cube, dk cube. What is the values of B? B equal to dk square, dk square. So AB done. This is the values of A, this is the values of B. Bracket, this bracket, this bracket. Be careful. So we have got AB plus BC. What is the values of B? dk square, dk square. Be careful. dk square. What is the values of C? dk. Here is C. What is the values of C? C equal to dk into d, dk into d. Here is whole square, here is whole square. So follow the board again. AB, what is the values of A? This is AB, dk cube, dk square. So AB, BC and CD. Now we can rough the board. We can solve the maths easily now. D into D, d square, d into d, d square, k cube into k square. So here is k to the power 5 plus d into d, d square, k square, k. So k cube and d into d, here is d square into k whole square. So here is d square, d square, d square. We can easily take common d square we have taken common, and here is k cube, k 5. So which is the smallest one? So smallest one you have to take common. So here is k is the smallest one, k. We can write k 4 plus k square plus 1 whole square. So after completing the task, you have to be careful. Here is whole square, but here is whole square. So use the bracket carefully. Okay. Now come back here. Where the ending position of this maths. So here is square, here is d square. So we can write d square into square. We can write here is d4. Here is k, but here is square. So we can write here is k square, Here is, you can see k4, k square 1, but here is whole square. So we can write k4 plus k square plus 1, k square plus 1. So few minutes ago we have got, this is the values of left hand side. Now we have got the right hand side. So you can say left hand side, values of left hand side d4 k square. This is the left hand side, but we have got right hand side also this. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Left hand side, you can see this is the left hand side, this is the left hand side, and you can see this is the right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So if you can see show that you have to write showed, if you can see proof that you have to write proved. So here is show that, so you can write show that. So we'll discuss our exercise lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3. So if you like our tutorial, so like, comments and share. So thank you all.